Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to upload PDF files in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload PDF files in Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone. And after landing over here guys on the home interface of Terabox, in order to upload PDF files in Terabox, you can see the plus button available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen, just above the share button. Tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the documents option available for us over here just beside the zip. Tap on documents, and the moment you tap on documents, you land over here where at the top of this interface guys you can see where I'm swiping or moving this list. There is the currently all button selected at the left side, but if we tap on the PDF, all of the PDF files available on the device will be shown to you over here. Now in order to upload a PDF file in Terabox, simply tap on the file which you want to upload, and when the blue tick mark appears at the right side of that option, tap on the upload button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the double arrow icon available for us. Tap on the double arrow icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen, and again tap on the upload button just beside the download, and you can see over here guys all of your uploaded PDFs will be over here with the files you have already uploaded to the Terabox. And that being said guys, this is the file which I had uploaded recently, so let's upload another PDF file. To do that, let's tap on the plus button again, tap on the documents, let's tap on the PDF over here at the top of the screen on this interface, and when all of these PDFs appear, tap on the PDF which you want to upload to your Terabox, and when you tap on it, the blue tick mark will be available for you at the right side, and the upload button will be also available at the same time at the bottom right corner. Tap on upload, and that document will be uploaded to your Terabox app. Over here you can see it has been uploaded. And with that being said guys, this is how to upload PDF files in Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.